Hi, I'm Victor Motz with the Nature Conservancy, and I'm a land protection specialist. Today we're at our Blakeslee Preserve in Cherry Valley. We're at the Cherry Creek, and I'm here today to do some planning for a stream restoration project. Chapter is the Pennsylvania-Delaware chapter. We work throughout Pennsylvania and the state of Delaware. Our local office is located in Long Pond. And in the northeast here, the Cherry Valley is one place we work quite a bit. In 2006, the Nature Conservancy bought this property from the Blakeslee family, and that was right after the Blakeslee family sold their development rights to the Monroe County Agricultural Land Easement Purchase Program. So we own this property. A lot of the property is in agriculture, but we still have to maintain it as a farm to comply with the Ag Preservation Program.
Hi, I'm Sue Fanuc. I work for the Pennsylvania and Delaware chapter of the Nature Conservancy, and I'm our director of our freshwater conservation program. Our goal here is really to improve water quality as well as wildlife habitat. Cherry Valley is a beautiful stream, but it has been impacted over the years by human activity. This was once a farm corridor. We did have cows that would actually go into the stream, and so we're now restoring this, but using a real gentle touch. We hope to use natural materials such as wood to help the stream recover from the impacts that we had in the past. The wood is an innovative approach. We're working with key partners such as the United States Forest Service to help us put the wood both in the stream as well as on the floodplain so that the river and the stream are connected and we're enhancing habitat. Over the years, as the cows would come to the stream to drink, it would over-widen the channel. So here we have a very broad portion of the valley. The stream is over wide, so we have a lot of sediment deposition here of both sediments as well as nutrients. So by putting some wood back into the channel and narrowing down portions of this channel, we're going to have increased habitat for our diversity of flora and fauna. We use something called a tile probe. What this allows us to do is just probe down into the stream so that we can see how deep some of the muck that has built up over time is. You may say, well, what does that matter? It matters a lot when we're thinking about how we're going to restore this and how we're going to get some of those sand and gravels back to the surface for habitat. It also matters when we're thinking about construction equipment. Some of the equipment can be big, and we want to make sure that it can safely move across our waterways, not cause impact to those waterways, as well as keep the people safe and the equipment that are using it. So today we're having a lot of fun out here sticking that tile probe in to get a feeling for how stable our substrate is. Right now, we're looking to finish up our restoration design and approach. Again, we're doing that in partners. We have engineers and experts that are helping us do that. After that, we'll go through our regulatory process and make sure we have all our permits in order, and then we'll actually advance the restoration. Do it maybe this coming winter. We'll see if we can get everything lined up for that at that point in time. But that's the end goal, to do the restoration both in the stream and in the floodplains. So in 2 years, we hope that people can come out here and see the difference, see some more native vegetation growing, and see a different functional stream that's out here that's been enhanced by the restoration. I also want to thank our funder, who's the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation, for their vision in seeing the value of projects like these and helping to support projects that really take root in local communities and local streams to give us access to nature. I absolutely love rivers and streams. I have been very fortunate to have worked for the Nature Conservancy for over 2 decades, and my work has been in the waters of Pennsylvania and Delaware. So it gives me no greater pleasure to come and look at a system that's already beautiful, but to think about how we can enhance it and set it on a restoration trajectory so that we are seeing the benefits for people and nature. This is a stream restoration. It's complicated. Really fortunate to have a number of partners that are helping us think through the best way to do that, such as the United States Fish and Wildlife Service, Partners for Fish and Wildlife, Friends of Cherry Valley, all the people in this valley. It's really a group effort to make this site the best that it can be.
So one thing we see, if somebody has a stream going through their property, is people often mow right up to the stream. They clear everything. The small woody plants with the roots keep the stream in place. It holds back the soil from eroding. It also provides habitat.